Today I'm going to teach you how to add a location in Google Maps. Whether you're adding your business, a favorite spot, or helping others discover a place that's missing, this process makes it easy to contribute to the map that millions of people use every day. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Google Maps interface with the search bar and map view. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open your profile settings and additional options. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Add a Missing Place. This is the feature that allows you to contribute new locations to Google Maps, helping make the platform more complete and accurate for everyone. After clicking this, a form will open up where you can start entering all the relevant information about the location you want to add. The first field you'll see is the place name field. Go ahead and input the name of the place you're adding here. Make sure the name is clear and accurate, as this is what people will see when they search for this location. Next, you'll need to specify what type of place this is. Click the drop-down menu labeled Category and choose the most appropriate category from the list. This helps Google Maps organize locations properly and makes it easier for people to find what they're looking for when they search. Now move down to the address field and input the full address of the location. Be as precise as possible with the street name, number, city, and postal code. This ensures the place appears in the right spot on the map. Just below the address field, you'll see a preview of your location on the map itself. This visual confirmation is really helpful because it lets you verify that the pin is placed exactly where it should be. If the location doesn't look quite right, you might need to adjust the address details slightly. At this point, you have the option to add more details if needed. You can include information like a phone number, operating hours, a website, or even upload photos of the place. While these details aren't mandatory, they make the listing much more useful for others who might be searching for this location. Adding photos in particular can really help people recognize the place when they arrive. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Submit. Google will then review your submission, and if everything checks out, the location will be added to Google Maps for everyone to see and use. And that's it. You've successfully contributed a new location to Google Maps, making it more helpful for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.